Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage parental controls on TCL Smart TV. To do this, first we'll need to click on the gear icon on our remote, then enter that gear icon in the top right corner of the screen with OK and scroll down to the system. Right here we want to scroll down for parental controls and enter them. In case you've never set the password for parental controls, it should be 1234 by default. Click on OK and you will unlock all of the settings. Now what we can do here is to change the channel lock. That means if you have any channels on your TV, you can lock them with that password. Next thing is parental ratings, and here you can change age rating for restrictions. So for example, it can go between 4 to 18. Then we have input lock. That means you can lock different inputs for your TV. So for example, if you lock HDMI 1 and your child will try to, I don't know, switch to PS4 or try to play it, you will need to enter that password. Then there's TV buttons lock that you can enable or disable, so that means you won't be able to access Netflix and Prime TV or other services that you have on your remote. Channel scan lock that you can enable or disable. You can also switch a password for your parental controls if you want. A max volume of your TV, which is kind of weird, but we can do it. And finally, last thing is to reset parental controls settings at the bottom. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.